Earn 5 Kula for completing the Twitter social bounty. Hold at least 600 Kula tokens, follow the Kulaplaza Twitter community, retweet at least one of its tweets. Share the Kulaplaza Twitter profile and make a screenshot. Locate the Twitter bounty section on the airdrop and rewards page. Click on the link, or log in to Twitter and locate at Kulaplaza. Click on follow. Retweet at least one of the Kulaplaza posts. Share the Kulaplaza Twitter profile. Click on View and make a screenshot. Once completed, you can log in to your ICO account to claim the Twitter bounty reward. Select Bounty from the menu. Locate the Twitter bounty and click on Apply. Provide your Twitter username in the notes, add the screenshot and click on Submit. Once you have successfully completed the bounty, 5 Kula tokens will be added to your ICO account upon approval by Kulaplaza. Check out the other bounties to earn even more rewards.